Hey everyone, it's Tiffany. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys this 26-inch ginger wig from WorldNewHair. I chose the length 26 inches and it is body wave. It also comes with their amazing HD lace. I'll be showing you guys how I styled the wig from start to finish. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and continue watching if you'd like to see how I created this whole look. This is what the wig looks like. They actually also have this wig available in water wave, texture, or straight. I just decided to go with the body wave. Before applying it, I always like making sure that all of the hair is combed back. And then I'm using my slick stick to make sure that there are no flyaways. This is what their HD lace looks like. It also comes pre-plucked, so you don't have to worry about any of that. It makes laying the wig really easy. If you see any of the lace still sticking up, what I like to do is just put some extra got-to-be spray on it and then just pressing it down with the end of the comb. And on both of my sides, I just like using the Ghost Bond glue instead of the got-to-be spray to really make sure that the wig is secured. I make sure to leave my wig band on for about 10 minutes before taking it off. I decided to do a middle part and giving myself some curls with a curling wand because I've just been doing a lot of straight hair looks. To get the wig as flat as possible, I always use my hot comb, and before doing that, I always put the wax stick on my hair as well to really get it flat. When doing my baby hair, I like using the pencil flat iron to really curl the hair. It makes it easier to actually lay the baby hair. So as you can see, you can also do a really curly baby hair look. I haven't done that. Let me know in the comment section down below if that's something that you guys would like to see from me, maybe with a curly wig. And here you would just see me styling my baby hair. Before styling my hair, I'm using the pink glosser to put on my hair. I just like putting it on my hands first and then just running my fingers through it. That way my hair won't be so greasy. And then here I'm just putting some curls in my hair. As you can see, the wig takes heat really well. And then where the root is, sometimes I would use a flat iron just to make sure that the hair is flat. On the left side, you can see what the hair looks like after it's being washed in its natural state, and then here just it being styled and curled. This is how all of the curls looked once I got done styling them. I really loved how the curls turned out on this wig. I flipped my head over just to give myself a little more volume. I also gave myself some layers. You guys know that I don't professionally do hair, but I taught myself how to do it when I first started YouTube. So I think I'm doing a pretty good job. If there are like different hairstyles that you guys would like to see from me, make sure to like send them to my DM, and I would definitely love to like try out some different stuff. This is how the wig turned out, y'all. I was so in love with this color, with this wig. I definitely have to try out their water wave unit that they have. But y'all, look at this. Let me know in the comment section down below right now what you guys actually thought of the whole complete look. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. All of the wigs that I'm showing you guys on here are also on sale on my other IG account. It is at Lux Hair. Make sure to check that out. As always, Berry Squad, I love you all. Until the next time. Bye.